Good afternoon, dear visitors. There are situations when you need to create an ISO image containing your folders and files. To perform this task, you can use the Windows command line. The only thing you will need to do is download the additional Oscdimg utility. Oscdimg is an official utility from Microsoft for working with ISO and WIM files. You can download Oscdimg from GitHub. I will leave the link in the description of the video. Before downloading, you need to check the bit depth of your system through the parameters. In my example, this is a 64-bit version, so I choose the AMD 64 archive. After downloading, unzip the archive and put it in a convenient place. In my example, this will be drive F on a flash drive. Next, you need to run the command line in administrator mode and go to the location where the downloaded utility is located. You can get to the desired directory using the cd command. Let's make sure that Oscdimg starts. Specify the key to call help. Now, after making sure that the utility starts correctly, you need to run the following command with several keys. The only thing you will need to change is the value of the target folder and the source folder. In my example, the KB folder on the F:\/ will act as the data source. The ISO file will be created in the output ISO directory on the same drive. Also pay attention to the NDM keys when writing the command. If you entered everything correctly, then press enter to execute. The time it takes to create the ISO file will depend on the size and number of files in the source folder. To check the correctness of the created ISO, I will look at its contents through 7-zip file manager. Everything was written correctly and the files were copied in full. Now I want to check that the created ISO file will be visible in the virtual machine where I mount it. In my test environment, everything is built on the basis of VMware Workstation. I go to the properties of the virtual server and mount the ISO file. Autorun immediately triggers in the guest system, where I see the files I need in Windows Explorer. As you can see, everything worked out and turned out to be very simple. If you have any questions, I am waiting for them in the comments. In the next video, I will tell you how to create ISO via PowerShell.